Orlando Pirates have officially unveiled a reshaped leadership structure ahead of the 2025-2026 campaign, appointing Nkosinathi Sibisi as club captain, with Thapelo Gqoki and rising sensation Mbekezeli TLP Mbokazi named as his deputies. The announcement made on Wednesday marks a significant strategic shift by the technical team, one that blends experience, maturity, and fearless ambition of youth. Sibisi succeeds a long-serving skipper Innocent Maila and steps into the role of the quiet assurance of a player who has been long earmarked for leadership. Fresh off being crowned Defender of the Season at the 2025 PSL Awards, Sibisi has grown into a central figure in the Buccaneers' backline. His game is defined less by flair and more by calm precision, an anchor in the storm when the stakes are highest. Known for his vocal leadership and measured decision, CBC brings a composed yet commanding presence both on and off the pitch. Teammates respect him not only for his technical reliability, but for his poise in pressure moments, qualities that make him a natural choice to wear the armband. His elevation is not merely symbolic, it signals shift towards consistency and tactical discipline, essential ingredients as Pirates prepare for another demanding season. Joining CBC in the leadership core is Thapelo Gqoki, whose vice captaincy recognizes not just his years of service but also his resilience through fluctuation form. While critics have pointed to inconsistencies, Gqoki remains a workhorse, reliable, vocal, willing to carry the weight of the responsibility. Even when the spotlight burns harshly, his ability to rebound from tough performances and marshal the defense underlines the leadership qualities valued by technical bench. Gqoki may not dominate headlines, but he embodies the grit that often defines championship teams. His experience adds much needed ballast to a squad aiming to challenge on all fronts. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing inclusion that a 19-year-old Mbekezeli Mbokazi was playing youth football just months ago. Today he's a vice-captain of one of Africa's most storied clubs, nicknamed TLB. For his fearless, hard-hitting defense style, Mbekezeli has seen a meteoric rise since making his debut earlier this year. His standout performances in the Nedbank Cup, which earned him the Most Promising Player award of the PSL Awards, have fast-tracked his ascent within the club. His appointment is more than a pat on the back, it's a bold declaration of trust in young men being groomed not just as a talent, but as a future leader. He plays with a kind of composure and aggression that belies his age, and his inclusion signals a forward-thinking vision for the club's next generation. With CBC's steady hand, Gqoki's seasoned resilience, and Mbokazi's youthful fire, Orlando Pirates are crafting a leadership core that reflects both legacy and ambition. It's a trio designed not just to manage the present, but to shape the future. Of course, armbands don't win matches, but leadership often does. These are the three players teammates will turn to when morale dips, when match needs steadying. As the 2025-2026 season draws near, the Buccaneers have reason to be optimistic. This isn't just a reshuffle, it's a renewal, and with CPC Gqoki and Mbokazi steering the ship, Pirates appear well poised for a season of purpose, poise and possibility silverware. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.